Hey guys, Red Pen Mining here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day in this video. Okay, I have just learned, thanks to HeroMiners, they're today's sponsor of this video, they just told me that they have Pearl plus ModelOS merged mining. So you can get paid out in this new coin called ModelOS, which is a proof of useful work for the AI era. Every mined block is a verifiable model inference running OxPow. Miners earn MDL and Pearl simultaneously. Okay, so this has just been enabled, and I'm going to show you guys how to mine Pearl and ModelOS simultaneously. So with merge mining, very easy. Okay, so you're like mining two coins with one GPU, but you're earning both Pearl and ModelOS at the same time, same hash rate, same rig, zero cost. So merge mining, you don't have to do anything extra. There's no second rig, there's no extra electricity or drop in your hash rate. We basically just have to add our ModelOS wallet address and the pool does the rest. Okay, especially if you're on HeroMiners already, you can start earning that extra coin ModelOS right away. Currently, as of recording, I haven't seen any exchange for MDL. I've been trying to search for it. I don't see anything yet, but once it is available, then I'm assuming it's going to have, well, we're going to see some numbers. So good time to get in early and stack that ModelOS if you believe that this coin is going to go up. So I'm going to show you guys how to, we need to create the ModelOS wallet. You do need your own wallet, which is linked down below to compute.modeloslabs.xyz. So this is where you can connect wallet at the top right here, and then you're going to have to create a new wallet. So this would be the first thing you need to do first in order to get your ModelOS wallet. So I'm just going to create one real quick here, and I'll show you guys create wallet. And there we go. So it's going to come up here with a dashboard. And you can see here, it shows your receiving address for the MDL. So this is what you will need for when we're going to input this into your HiveOS, or if you're mining in Windows, I'll show you through here, through Windows. It's very easy. And so let's go through HiveOS first. Okay, so people that are currently mining Pearl, you don't really have to change much, especially if you're on HeroMiners already. But if you haven't done, Pearl mining or anything like that, you're going to need to get your Pearl wallet address and make sure you enter that in, okay? Then next, you want to go to flight sheet, okay? Then we're going to create a new flight sheet for this. So we're going to go Pearl, PRL, and then wallet is going to be your Pearl address, which I'm using the Lord of Pearls OTC, which is a exchange for selling Pearl. And then, or you can use Safe Trade, or let's see the markets for Pearl right now. Yeah, Safe Trade or CoinEx if you have these exchanges, if you want to sell Pearl. Then, yeah, going back to HiveOS here. So we're going to select the pool, which is going to be HeroMiners. And you're going to want to check the one that's obviously the geolocation that's closest to you. For me, it's going to be USA West, and my backup is going to be USA East. Okay, then we're going to hit apply. If you go to HeroMiners.com or modelos.herominers.com, they will show you your latency. So you can see which mining pool, which geolocation, which region is going to be best for you. So lower latency is going to be much better. Okay, so you want to make sure you choose the whichever mining pool that is closest to you. Okay. So good thing with HiveOS, if you're using HiveOS, they already have it configured, all the ports and the server URL already here. So just have to check it, hit apply. Now we need to select the miner. The one I currently use is going to be SRBMiner, and I think a lot of you guys have been using this one, but there's plenty of them, plenty of different ones out there, which on HeroMiners, on their website here, you can see that they have other versions of the Pearl miner. So there's Peak Miner, BZ Miner, Forge Miner, Arc Miner, SRBMiner for HiveOS, SRBMiner for Windows. And yeah, even if you're on Windows, you can see the example on how to add it here, which I'll show you guys right now. Very, very easy. So now select SRBMiner, go to Setup Miner Config. Now it's going to be Pearl hash, which is good. Wallet. Now this is the place where you're going to want to edit here. So we're just going to be adding a plus sign plus the ModelOS wallet address that we got here from your ModelOS wallet. So this is where you're going to start getting your MDL here. And then we're going to go back to HiveOS, paste that in. Okay, and there you go. So that's it. That's all you have to do. So this current wallet one is going to be your Pearl address plus. You need to have the plus sign here and then the ModelOS wallet. Okay, worker name stays the same there. URL is good. Password, you can put anything, and that's it. Okay, so now we're going to hit apply changes and create the flight sheet. And I'm going to put name Pearl plus ModelOS. Okay, merge mining, which is cool. You get some extra coin. Okay, so I'm going to go to one of my workers here. I'm going to go to my 3070 rig, and I'm going to apply the flight sheet. So you go to flight sheet, and we're going to apply Lord of Pearls, OTC. Okay, so now it's going to start going. And okay, I'm just going to remote into it here so we can just see what it's doing. And I just might want to make sure it's starting. Let's type in miner, and we should see it start going here. And yes, it is now mining by the looks of it. We are getting 60 terahash per GPU, which is good. And we should be able to see it on HeroMiners now. So I want to look up my wallet address now on HeroMiners for ModelOS. So we're going to go to modelos.herominers.com. You go to home, you scroll down to the bottom, you can paste in your MDL address here, hit lookup, and it will show your worker name here. Okay, so this is my Octominer01 with my 3070s, and it's just starting to ramp up now. And then if you want to see your Pearl earnings, because again, you're mining the ModelOS for free, but they're on two separate sites here. So if you want to see your Pearl earnings, you go to pearl.herominers.com. Then you go to the home page, and then you scroll down to the stats and payment history. We have to enter in our Pearl address. So I'm just going to copy my Pearl address, go back to pearl.herominers.com, paste in the Pearl address, hit lookup, and now you can see your worker here. I just added my other two rigs as well. So on pearl.herominers.com, you can see your stats here for Pearl, how much Pearl you're going to be earning. Then on modelos.herominers.com, you're going to see your MDL earnings here. Okay, so really cool, right? Getting extra MDL for free, basically. For those that were already mining Pearl, you are getting these coins for free. So real quick, the key point, for people that are mining or merge mining, it does not split or reduce your Pearl hash rate. So you earn the same Pearl you always did, plus ModelOS on top. It's genuinely 2 coins for the price of 1, as to the HeroMiners Medium article here. So just real quick here, the pool features. So true merge mining, earn Pearl and ModelOS from 1 GPU, 1 connection, 1 port, TCP plus TLS, connect with Stratum plus TCP or Stratum SSL if you want on the same port, which is going to be 1200, which is nice. So global servers, there's 14 geolocations worldwide. You guys can choose the one for the lowest latency. There's 0% pool fee. So to celebrate the launch, they are offering 0% pool fees until August 1st, 2026. So that's a good, that's a good month away, a month and a couple days away as of recording. So pretty good. It's fair prop style rewards, live stats and full transparency. Again, you can track your Pearl rig at pearl.herominers.com and your ModelOS rewards at the ModelOS pool dashboard, which I showed you guys earlier. Okay, so guys, that's it. And of course, there's no special miner required. Works with the standard Pearl miners you already use. Okay, guys, again, links down below to all of this information and how to get started. It's very easy. And yeah, links to the wallet as well for people that want to get started here. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Let me know your guys' thoughts. And thank you again to HeroMiners for sponsoring today's video. Okay, I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.